Hi, today I'm going to show you how to log in via SSH without passwords. First step is to generate the key on our local machine, this is very important, using some kind of algorithm. I will use RSA. The command looks like this. I will paste it in the description, and you want to change two things. Name here and name here. I type frog because this is the name of my server. You can use basically any name, it don't have to be the name of your server. I already have the key with this name, but let's overwrite it. You can also add passphrase to protect your keys, but it's not necessary. 2 times enter, and the key was generated. Now I want to copy the public key into my clipboard. I will use pbcopy command. I'm not sure it's the same on Linux machines, but probably it's very similar. Something like this. Okay, the dot should be not here, but here. And now I have to insert this key into the server. So I have to log in with password, I believe the last time. Now let's create hidden SSH directory in my home directory. Set chmod 700 over this directory. Chmod just manages files permissions. Then inside SSH, we have to create a file called authorized keys. It is very important that this path should be exactly like that. Also change chmod to 600. Open this file. I will use nano editor and paste the key. Ctrl X for exit, Y for save, and enter. Now I can log out, and last step on my local machine is to open config file in SSH directory and map the key. I already done that before, but it's very simple. This key is for another server. Today we did this one, and this is the name of the connection. Of course, this is the host name, the user you want to log in, the port, and path for the private key. Let's close it and check if it works. So now I can type just SSH frog and I'm connected to my server. Last thing, why we should use SSH keys. It improves security and saves time. Secure passwords should have about 15 random characters, and it takes a lot of time if you have to type it 5-7 times per day. It's very tempting to change this password to short one, but these are very easy to break. Okay, thanks for watching and see you soon.